Hi guys, I am so excited to show you this project today. I think it's the most epic, complicated mini album that I've ever made. So I really hope you enjoy it. So here we go. It is very wide, very thick, but it is about 6 1/4 by 4 1/4, and it is a bit epic really. So let's just start. Front, I've got this nice little wreath spelling out the word joy. So we open up the first page, we've got a waterfall here. So I just want to let you know that my purpose for behind this was I wanted to create a daily December for myself, something where I could put in all of my Christmas memories and do a daily December in my own fashion rather than using a pre-bought book. You can also use this for a really epic Christmas album, or well, an album for anything really, but this is going to be my daily December. Notice it's not yet decorated. What I wanted to do was make it ahead of time so that when it comes to December I don't need to go about making things. I can just decorate, I can just add in my journaling and add in my photos. So the first page, again, just a quick waterfall. Second page, again, I've done another waterfall but just slightly bigger, with more pages aimed for journaling on the back. Then we have double pages that just open up, and these open up into this nice pattern. Again, more journaling. This page is the same, so I've mirrored most of the pages. So you have a pocket here, and on the flip side a pocket again. So this side is double spaces. So here these just pull out, give you time to do a little bit of journaling. You can put some mementos inside here as well, add some pictures to the front, and these are 4 little pocket books. So the next page, again, I've got a flip up and again a pocket, so you can add some journaling, some mementos, and these just fold inside and is closed over. So this will be decorated. I'm going to put some embellishments, maybe some photos on the front that'll help keep these closed. So now on this page I have extra pages. So there is 4 pages here. Ooh. So if you watch the tutorial of how to make that, you'll see why these are important. And next page I've got some pockets. Slide that back in, and again pockets on this side. Some little cute pockets again. More pockets. And we've got the same as what we had earlier, where these flip open and these pull out. Similar to at the front, again, these open up and you can do some journaling in here, add some more photos. So on this one the pages flip open. Like such. Some pockets. Another waterfall. And at the back this flips open and you have a couple more pockets, places to put things. So it is epic. It is a fair amount of work. It's not a project for the faint-hearted or the faint crafty. So to make this, I think it took about 4 to 6 hours for me to put this together. That's after I designed it. It uses a full pack of 12 by 12 pattern paper. It also uses a full pack of basic black cardstock, and then maybe about half a pack total for all of the other colours that I've used here. So it really is a labour of love, but I think hopefully you agree that it is worth it. Like I said, this is going to become my daily December. I will share photos with you over on the blog, on my social media, of what these pages look like when they're complete. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope this has given you some inspiration of what yours can look like. It is very heavy for an album, it is very thick, but hopefully it is something that you can treasure forever because of all the time you're going to put into making it. So you know, it's a project I think that you can pass on, or you can give this to somebody. Maybe you've done an epic Christmas holiday and you want to share it, but it is something to truly be treasured. I've got a bit of glue on the front, so I'll get rid of that in a second. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this. Check out, there should be a link below for the tutorial. If you've got any questions, give me a shout. I'd love to see your version when you make one. So I hope you have a great day and happy crafting.